Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Monday, March the 23rd. I got 5 great press releases for you. Quarterly and year-end results are dominating, and that's what we like to see because we really get down to separating the wheat from the chaff, and China's dominating again. Let's start you off first with China Bioenergy. They trade on the OTC under CBEH. They're a manufacturer and distributor of biodiesel and distributor of a bunch of petroleum-based products. They got the fourth quarter and the full year number. I'm going to give you the full year. Sales up 149% to $217 million bucks. I'm doing a little bit of rounding. Gross profit up 204% to about $30.5 million. GAAP net income up 118% to $18.7 million. And earnings per share up 157% to 54 cents per share. The company also gave a bit of a financial outlook for 2009, which we like. Management expects to report fiscal year 2009 revenues of at least $240.7 million and net income of at least $33.7 million. This would represent an 11% increase on the revenue side and an 18% increase on the net income side compared to the numbers I just gave you for 2008. Great guidance. They closed yesterday at $4.15 and give their earnings per share. Looks like they're trading about 8.5 times earnings. Might be some good value. Take a look at that company. Next up, Yongye Biotechnology also trades on the OTC under YGYB. Put out their fourth quarter and full year numbers. I'm going to give you full year. Revenue up 266% to $48 million. Gross profit up 325% to $25 million. Net income up 157% to $11.2 million or 64 cents per share. Great number considering the fact that the company's trading at just $1.50. So what we got here is a company trading about 2.5 times earnings. Unbelievable numbers. The company's saying that along with a series of favorable government policies in China's ag sector, they believe that their newly completed production facility and unique sales model is going to allow Yongye to continue rapid growth for the foreseeable future. However, given what's going on in the world economy, they do remain cautious about that. Closed yesterday at $1.50. They're engaged, and they've been on the show before. They're engaged in development and distribution of fulvic acid-based nutrients for plants and animals. Pretty staple product that economy is going to need. Shiner International, record sales and net income for 2008. This is what we're seeing coming out throughout the Chinese industry. NASDAQ, BEST, that's a stock symbol. They're a supplier of anti-counterfeiting and advanced packaging products. You can imagine that's really important in today's day and age. Revenues for the year, $51.6 million. That's up 20.6%. That's a record. Net income, $4.9 million. That's up from $4.5 million. That's a record as well. Here's management's comments. As a consequence of the world's economy, we experienced lower than anticipated results during the fourth quarter of 2008, and we didn't meet our previously announced guidance for 2008. However, having said that, they've also announced the implementation of a stock buyback program. They're going to buy back up to 4 million shares of the company's common stock over the next 12 months. They closed on Friday at 70 cents, just off their 52-week low of 58 cents, and off their high of $1.90. Go take a look and see if you can get an earnings per share number there, but great results out of Shiner International. Switching over to the TSX, some more results here. Trafalgar Energy trades on the big board TSX TFL. They put out their end of year 2008 results for the year ended December 31st. Petroleum natural gas revenues increased 36%. Average production up 8%. Total proved gross reserves up 42%. Year-end net earnings, $181,000. We don't have any other numbers there. Earnings per share, what the revenues are exactly, and so on and so forth. So you may have to go take a closer look at the press release. But they did close on Friday at 47 cents, which is way off their high of $4, their 52-week high of $4. So, the company may have put out the results that their shareholders were looking for. Don't know. Got to take a look. But these are some pretty good numbers here. Northland Resources trades on the TSX under NAU, and for our friends in Germany, NBS on Frankfurt. Got some drill results here. They're saying the drill results confirm the potential of the Pelivuoma iron ore project. Specifically, the results indicate a substantial tonnage of open pitable magnetite may be present at the project. It's within a short trucking distance of a proposed iron ore facility in northern Sweden, so this could actually increase the life of that facility. Some of the highlights: hold 9001, 107.5 meters at 38.3% iron. 9006, 38.5 meters, 39.6% iron. Hold 9008, 81 meters, 38.3%, and so on and so forth. Some really good numbers here. Got a quote from Bill Wagner, CEO of the company, Chief Operating Officer, says the encouraging results from Pelivuoma support a vision of developing a mining district to be serviced by one centralized mill. What I really like about this company is how aggressive they are in the About Us section, who they are. I like this, actually. We're built by leading mine finders and developers, and we're preparing to supply iron, copper, and gold to Europe's metal-hungry markets. In Sweden and Finland, we control one of the continent's last major undeveloped iron ore provinces. I like a company that's that aggressive. They closed on Friday at 76 cents, also way off their high of their 52-week high of $4.34. And finally, two stock halts for you. Grenville Gold Corp, Venture Exchange, GVG, halted at 9 o'clock, pending news. And Alberta Oil Sands, Venture Exchange, AOS, also halted at 9 o'clock a.m., pending news. Go take a look at those press releases. Might be something really important. That's a wrap. As always, if you're looking for more great small cap companies, don't forget about the AGORACOM front page or the AGORACOM 100 marketplace. Close to 70 companies now listed by industry and exchange, and we keep adding new companies on every single week so you can find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.